Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will say about inventory out of stock report. This report tells you which products are already out of stock and which ones are about to run out. It looks at the current stock and past sales to estimate how long each product will last. This helps you know what to reorder and when before stock shortages happen. So let's see about that. You can see here module Tail Inventory Out of Stock Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Inventory app, go to Reporting menu and see here this menu Out of Stock Analysis. Now add here company, select warehouse, stock location is stock, select here start date to end date and define here origin days, it means duration total 30 days. Available filters product and category. And available here total 3 option only view report, print in PDF and Excel format. First I want to print in PDF format. And see here your printed report in PDF format. Display here company, warehouse name, date range start to end date, total selected product, horizon it means duration total 30 days, and also display here all details about this product sales or purchase, product name, category, warehouse, on hand, outgoing, incoming, and virtual status, and last in display status. OOS, OK. Below define here the status. OOS means out of stock, risk and OK. When your horizon days is greater than virtual days, then move into risk. But when equal then display here OK stage. And not available stock for this duration, then display out of stock, it means OOS. Now I want to print in Excel format. Display here with details, product name, category, warehouse, and also display stages, out of stock, in stock, and total stock values. And now I want to view only this report. And see here this display in list view and also available here pivot view. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.